why ask me? Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're entering the world of Sonic the Hedgehog. Yes, this is by Jax, and you can see that this is the Rouge the Bat figure. Rouge is a character that I've wanted for years now. The only other figure she has is from the 90s, and that figure has always been $200+. This figure is actually $9.99 currently at Walmart. If you guys want to check them out, they are currently stacking these on shelves. Jax is getting all the different brands. Jax also has Mario, which if you guys didn't know, I do have some Mario figures here. These were also made by Jax. I love how Jax is a company that basically moves in silence. I'm always surprised when I see Jax's tiny logo at the bottom of the box. Pay attention guys, one day you're gonna see Callie's logo. Alright, so here is the accessory that Rouge comes with, and it's some type of device. I'm not sure if she tosses it at you. Love bomb, and it explodes. Love bash, and it'll explode or something, but this is like the only accessory she comes with. The back of the figure, these wings that you guys see, these are actually detachable. So if you want, you can pose her with or without the wings. So you could take them out, and when you're ready for it to look like she's flying again. Now this is a small figure, so let's see how tall she is. It looks like she's just under 4 inches. So that's not bad. So she's definitely in the same height realm as other Jax figures. Now, as far as her articulation goes, she does have a lot. She has head articulation, so she can look side to side. She has shoulder articulation. She has an elbow swivel. She also has a wrist swivel. And then she also has a little hinge. So if you guys can't see inside the glove, there is a tiny hinge, but be careful because, you know, it looks like if you don't turn it the right way that you may actually snap her. So you can bend it, but it's very slight. Nothing in the midsection, but at the hips you can kind of kick forward and out. There is a knee bend, but just like the elbow, it's tucked inside, so be careful. You do have a boot swivel. So for this figure to be tiny, she actually packs a punch when it comes to articulation, and her wings are articulated as well. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm happy to have her here. So let's get into some height comparison. Mario by Jax. So you can see they're almost just the same in height. She only looks taller because she's a bat and she has tall ears. And here she is compared to Luigi. Now Luigi is a tall character, but it looks like they're actually not that far off in height. It's a realistic height difference compared to Princess Peach, and Peach is taller, but it's okay. I think they actually look cute together. I wonder if they could be friends. And here she is comparative to the little plant that's in the Mario game. And I love, one thing about Jax, I love their figures always look like they just came right out of the cartoon. Alright, and here is Rouge compared to Morrigan from Street Fighter. So Morrigan is a 6-inch figure, and then we have Rouge, who is 3-inch. But surprisingly enough, I still think they look pretty good. I compare them because they're the two female bat villains in their game series. It's interesting how both of these game series have made the bat villains like super, and this is pretty cool. So you can actually manage to balance Rouge, and you can get her holding her accessory in hand. I think that's pretty cool. Now my final thoughts on this figure is I'm happy that they did release her because she is a fan favorite. People who enjoy villains and people who are a fan of Sonic the Hedgehog, she is a fan favorite. So I'm loving that they're doing, is it the 50th anniversary or the 20th? There's like an anniversary going on right now. I think it's an anniversary going on. I've seen it in some places, so I think that's why we're getting a re-release. As far as the paint detail goes, it looks really good, and I'm gonna bring her up close so you guys can get a good look at her eyes and the colors and things like that. Get a really good look at the details because she looks really good. Like, this is a really good looking figure. So anyone who's a fan, I would say get her now, because when these go off shelves, you know the scalpers are going to charge you guys a lot more than a $10 bill to get her. So if you're a fan of Sonic and you love the villains as much as the heroes, please get her now. See you guys next time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It's a free and cool way to help Callie. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! We're going to start some trouble with Sonic. Let's go. It's like, why even ask me? Damn classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down around the town. Why ask me? Why ask me? Why ask me up and down, up and down? Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me up and down around the town? Swerve, you're in a new car. Swerve, make sure you don't swerve. You're in a new car. Swerve, back and forth, up and down now. Swerve, she riding around now. Swerve, up and down now. Swerve, she bouncing around now. Swerve.